Stop.
Please don't take me to
Stop.
jail.
If you want another charge, get
No,
back
I
here.
want no charge.
Now.
Please don't take me to
Get
jail.
back here now.
No.
What's up, fam? Welcome to the Marlinated Mindstate. I'm your host, Marlon C. And today we are reacting to an unbelievable body cam video from Midwest Safety titled, "Woman Flees After Cop Changes Her Tire." This is one of the craziest situations you'll see. An officer stops purely as a good Samaritan to help a woman change a blown tire on the highway. And within minutes, she's fleeing on bare metal rims at nearly 100 miles per hour with her miniature dog in the front seat. But before we hit play, let's take care of our mandatory housekeeping. I am not an attorney and nothing in this video constitutes formal legal advice. This reaction is created strictly for educational purposes, commentary, and legal analysis, falling squarely under the Fair Use Act 17 USC subsection 107. Now, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right into this madness. Let's hit it. All right, got a lady changing the tire.
Need some help? Yep.
Good Samaritan. Actually, one of night clothes.
I have it.
Okay, guys, this reminds me of a situation I had years ago when I used to work at a warehouse. I was getting off late one night, around about 10:30, and driving down the street, come to a red light, and my car just shuts off. I mean, everything, the electric panels, the car just it's like all power left the car that night. So I get out, jiggling wires or whatever. But anyway, policeman pulls up behind me and gets out, asks me what's going on. I said, I don't know. Everything just shuts off. Now, mind you, my tag in my car was out. So he flashed his light on my windshield, saw the tag was out. I told him what was going on. He said, okay, well, you can push your car over there to the gas station because there was a gas station right next to the light. No, gas station closed at this time of night. Push your car over there at the gas station, and maybe call you a wrecker and to come pick you up. And then he got in his car and left. So looking at this, I guess I did not have the complexion for protection, if you know what I mean. And I didn't look like a woman that had on some cheeky shorts, or what have you. But that's one of the reasons why I have issues with police. And don't get me wrong, I need the police. I'm not a person that say defund the police. I need the police because now I got me, live in a nice neighborhood, pay taxes. If something go on, I want to call them some guns and they better come because, I'm a law-abiding citizen. I've always been a law-abiding citizen. But yeah, that was just a jacked up situation I had years ago. So watching this, it brings back those memories, those unfond memories that I have of the police. But let's continue.
This thing's been here for a couple days, huh?
It has, yeah.
Just blew a tire. It's not broken down or anything. Let me grab this for you.
In Texas, it would have been towed after that first day. So nice state
You
true.
already have it jacked up?
Sorta, yeah.
Sorta. It's a heavy one. You should grab this.
She wanted to see a police officer in the back.
He got his own tools, impact wrench.
He's a miniature Dachshund. He won't get much bigger.
It's a little hamster.
Thank you so much.
Now, usually, ladies, I'm going to tell you this here. If you're on side the highway, I know like the interstate, and you have a flat, and let's say you don't have AAA, you don't have insurance or what have you, you can always call that number on the back of your driver's license. And those people will come and help assist you with roadside help. Just a tidbit of information for your ladies, because like I said, I ain't never seen a police officer pull over. Not for me and do nothing like this. I had to call insurance to come, change the tire for me one time, but I was clean. I had like all white on one day going somewhere. Anyway, let's continue.
Yeah.
Look at this nice policeman.
You got your little wrench. I don't think I have the right size for this.
See, you ain't supposed to be doing that.
Yeah, I don't know what size of weird lug nuts you got, but I do not have the correct size for this. You can try your 4-way. 76, go ahead.
Violation of probation, misdemeanor theft, felony theft. I'm trying to confirm it now.
Got it?
They called it in.
You have to hammer it on there.
Still
One at a
helping.
time.
Still helping out. Look at him.
Unfortunately, don't thank me yet. What's your birthday? What's your birthday? What are the last 4 of your social? What's your name? What's your name?
Ashley Cox.
That's a problem.
Do you have your ID on you?
See that right there? It said that's not her real name. Let's keep that in our memory banks. Right as he started helping with the tire, the officer called in the license plate right away. Why and when did the officer run the plate? Right around the 15-second mark, the officer called dispatch. Even during a courtesy motorist assist, standard operating procedure requires checking the vehicle to ensure that it isn't stolen, abandoned, or tied to a crime. Legally, under the Fourth Amendment case law, officers do not need reasonable suspicion or probable cause to run a visible license plate on a public roadway. Now, by the 1 minute mark, dispatch confirms an active probation violation warrant. That's why the officer asked for her name and birthday. But instead of cooperating, she gives a fake name and claims she has no ID. Now, here's the legal breakdown and potential penalties. Number 1, criminal impersonation and providing false info to law enforcement. Giving false identification to evade arrest is a distinct crime. Depending on the jurisdiction, this ranges from a Class A misdemeanor, which is up to 11 months, 29 days in jail, or even up to, you could say, 1 year, to a Class E felony if done specifically to evade felony apprehension. Number 2, probation violation. Violating probation can result in the complete revocation of suspended sentences, meaning the judge can order the original jail or prison sentence to be served in full. Now I got a question for you guys. If you are facing a minor probation issue, would you risk catching brand new felony charges by lying and running? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's continue.
Just throwing that in the back seat. Throwing that in the back seat.
Well, it's strong.
Good, how are you?
Jack and a tire.
Main reason I stopped is I saw that billboard.
I like him a strong woman.
And it says 40 road. And I'm like, well, I wish I would have known that before I got off the highway. But you're all done, huh?
I'm good. I appreciate you.
All right, buddy. Thanks.
Good Samaritan. Boy, look at me.
Just come to
Friendly
this
people.
passenger side window real quick if you would. Give me some info.
I can say if I have my ID. I don't think I do though.
Give me 1 second. What's your social?
Huh?
Your social?
Hey, hush it. Sparky, I need a lighter.
What? Walking off. Let her walk off.
Come back here.
Okay.
Let me see.
All right, I'm gonna give you one more chance.
Listen, I have a warrant.
I know you have a warrant.
Okay, please don't take me to jail.
You're going to jail.
What?
And don't even run.
Oh, now she running. Look at it. You did all that to help change her tires. Now she's running off. Oh, damn, the doorknob fell out.
Stop.
Please don't take me to
Stop. If you want another charge, get back here.
No charge.
Now.
Please don't take me to
Get
jail.
back
Is she
here
having
now.
a tantrum? What the hell?
It's a felony charge.
How'd she
Get
get in the
out.
car? He couldn't get in the car. I'm
Felony
confused.
charge. Get out. Running. I'm gonna chase you.
Yes, I'm gonna chase you.
Felony charge. Don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Back, back. There she go. Out of there. Now, she used the I need a light excuse to get back behind the wheel and take off. Look how the officer warned her repeatedly, saying it's a felony charge, don't do it. Now, let me give y'all a legal breakdown. Number 1, felony evading, fleeing in a motor vehicle. Under state statutes, fleeing from an officer in a motor vehicle elevates an evasion charge from a misdemeanor to a Class D or a Class E felony. Now, what's the potential penalty? 1 to 6 years of state prison, mandatory driver's license revocation, and substantial criminal fines. Number 2, reckless endangerment. Accelerating away while an officer is standing right next to the open door can trigger additional charges for reckless endangerment or aggravated assault with a deadly weapon if the vehicle strikes or brushes the officer. And also pay attention that she is riding on a dummy tire. So remember that, because that's going to play a big part in the rest of this video. Let's continue. Y'all move out the way. I was saying, she ain't trying to go to jail. Mama, you on your own. Oh. She's working already. She's watching Boots. We're watching Boots of House. That's the rest of us. And you know you can't drive that fast on those donuts. You know this. What does it say? 50 miles an hour max? Like a few miles? 25 miles, that's it? She out of there.
76.
Starting mileage 46, 483. Got on 40 eastbound, 362. Tires blown.
Hey, already
Metal.
blown.
Light
I didn't even have no air in
clear
there.
roads.
Out of look at this.
Where you direct?
It looks like she's stopping. Nah, what else think?
Speed's 47. She's going on the shoulder. Come back on lane 3.
I was not excited at all.
Additional charges, criminal impersonation. 364 east. It's like we're getting off here. She's already spun out a couple times before she got on this interstate here. She's pulling off the shoulder. Speed's 42.
Okay, she's stopping.
She's stopped right now, still in drive.
Oh, look at that. Well, they watch too much TV.
Getting off the exit.
Copy, get off the exit.
What in the heck? Jeez, why?
Jerry's all going around.
Left into the truck stop. Nope, making a U-turn.
Oh, she's burning it. Oh, man.
Copy, make the U-turn.
Another U-turn.
The hell? Oh, we can't make this stuff up. Oh, she wanted to get back on that highway. He wanted to turn around again.
East or west?
Going east, speed 60. Light traffic, from what I can see.
Copy, speed 60, lot traffic.
She's 85 miles an hour on a rim, coming up on light traffic, going into lane 1.
I saw the one that he should just let her go and just found her later. She ain't getting far. Just back out, let her go. She gotta go and then come back and get her later down the road. She ain't going nowhere because somebody had to come pick her up. You know what I'm saying?
Lane 1, 96 miles an hour, light traffic.
96.
About 96 miles per hour.
92, 365 east.
Copy, 365 east.
Coming up on traffic.
Not even slowing down. What is she dropping?
She just 45
Ooh,
into
that
two
did it.
vehicles, 45 into the median.
Oh, damn. Out of there. So 96 miles an hour on a bare metal rim. She completely shredded that wheel, threw sparks across the interstate, and ended up slamming into an innocent driver traveling home, probably with their family. Now, let me give you a legal breakdown and potential penalties for her actions. Felony reckless endangerment and vehicular assault. Driving nearly 100 miles an hour on a rim without tire rubber shows extreme indifference to human life. Causing a collision with another motorist brings potential vehicular assault charges. Now, the potential penalty? Class D felony carrying 2 to 12 years in prison depending on prior criminal record. Now, traffic violations are stacking up. Speeding, going 96 in a 70 mile an hour zone, reckless driving, improper lane usage, failing to exercise due care, driving on the shoulder, and driving without insurance. Next charge can be animal endangerment. Having an unrestrained dog inside the vehicle during a 100-mile-an-hour chase can trigger animal cruelty, endangerment with misdemeanor charges. Let's continue and see how this plays out.
Get out of the car!
Get out! Oh. Yeah.
Get out of the car!
Why is she hollering?
Get out of the car! What are you doing?
Yeah.
You got like 15 other charges. Get out of the car now.
You got like 15 different charges.
Last chance before you get another one. Come on, get out.
Don't take me to jail. You actually thought you was gonna get away. I'm about to shoot you.
Get out, or I'm gonna drag you out. Get out.
Where your taser at, man?
Put him in the back seat. Come out
Yep,
now.
they're going another Good Samaritan. Bunch of Good Samaritans in Tennessee.
Put him in the back seat. You need help? Need help? Put him in the back seat. Come on. Come on. Come on, you have to get out. Get out. You have to get out. Let's go.
Get this. Man, this is
Come on. Put the dog in the car. I'm not hurting the dog.
bro, Tennessee, the friendliest
in
state.
the car.
Let me have the dog. Let me have. No, let me have the
Give him
dog.
the dog.
Give me the dog. You have to give us the dog.
Give
You
me the
are
dog.
arrested.
Yeah.
Dog down. Don't hurt him. Put him in the seat. Get on your face.
That's
Gotta get out.
Now. Get
Now.
down.
it's crazy.
Stop resisting.
Please call my mom and tell her to give me my dog.
You got it.
Hold on. Where your daughter at?
Hey. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Hey.
Stop.
Probably shouldn't say I know my rights. Now, the officer has to extract her by force because she is refusing lawful commands to exit after a high-speed pursuit and collision. Now, here are the potential penalties for this part. Resisting stop, frisk, halt, or arrest. Actively resisting, pulling away, or refusing to get on the ground during a lawful felony arrest constitutes resisting arrest. Now, the potential penalties, it could be a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to 6 months in county jail. And we also have search incident to arrest and inventory impound. Following a felony pursuit and arrest, law enforcement has full legal authority to impound a vehicle and perform an inventory search. Now, let's see how this plays out. Let's see how many charges she gets and exactly what she actually is going to get hit with. That's your baby, but you flying. That was, I guess they do this with dogs and people. Huh?
I appreciate you.
Are you okay?
I'm good. It's just fine.
I got on the glass, bleeding.
Take a breath.
All this with no
Ma'am,
back.
are you okay?
I'm okay.
You okay?
No, she Lord.
You all right? No problem.
God, look at these people, man. What's this?
You okay, man?
This is not a
Take a
good
deep
look
breath for me.
at
Everybody's all
all.
right. Breathe. Everything's fine.
Good, bub?
I'm good.
Okay.
Do you prefer a wrecker out of this area? Are you from here?
I'm from Charleston.
Charleston. You want me to call a wrecker for you? Get you pulled out of here? I got you. I got you. We'll get that handled.
You want a place to stay? You want to
Do you have a preference on a wrecker? Do you want me to call a wrecker for you from here?
I don't know. I'm from North Carolina.
Okay.
I just picked up my stepson, and now we're headed home.
Look, just mind their own business, driving.
I'm not even going to tell you how stupid that was. You just stacked on like 5 more felony charges. It's the dumbest thing you could have done.
Is that the only reason you help me?
What?
I'm done talking to you.
And what else did you need?
I know I can help.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I'm good, thank you. Your insurance is on here. You're good.
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Hey, you do not sound happy about that. No, not at all, dude. Because I ran it. It was a hold on a second.
According to court records, this suspect, Brandy, was charged with criminal impersonation for giving a false name, felony evading, resisting a stop, arrest, or search, driving with a suspended license, driving without a license, driving with no seatbelt, not exercising due care while driving, operating a vehicle with tinted windows, failure to maintain lane, improper driving on the right shoulder, not obeying police officers, reckless driving, speeding, following too closely, and financial responsibility for not having insurance. She took a plea deal, pleading guilty to criminal impersonation and felony evading while all other charges were dismissed. She was ordered to pay $1,293.26, and a judge released her back into the public before this video ever saw the light of day.
When she told the officer, "I need a lighter," and started walking back towards her car, most people probably wouldn't think twice about it. But I remember my FTO telling me when I was a rookie, don't ever let someone go back into their vehicle unless they absolutely have to. Now, the officer recognized that immediately. He called her back and stayed one step ahead. That's experience. Then I started thinking about something else. Pretty much every owner's manual tells you not to drive much over 50 miles per hour on a spare tire. And there's a reason for that. So imagine doing 96 miles per hour after the spare tire is already gone and the car is riding on the wheel itself. At that point, you're throwing sparks, damaging the vehicle, and giving up a lot of control. That's exactly what happened here. And when you zoom out, it all started because she decided to give a false name instead of facing the situation she was already in. And I'll tell you something from experience. Calls like this can wear on an officer over time. Now, this guy stopped because somebody needed help. She took advantage of that because most cops start this job wanting to help people. But you have enough encounters like this, and that trust you started your career with gets a little harder to hold on to.
Now, before we wrap this video up, I wanted to look up the charges that she potentially faced and how much time she could have got compared to what she ended up getting. So it says here, if all 15 plus criminal and traffic charges had stuck at trial with consecutive sentencing, along with her probation revocation, her potential statutory penalty exposure would have been substantial. Number one, the lead felony charges: felony evading arrest in a motor vehicle, risk of injury, death to third parties. And it says, because she drove up to 96 miles an hour on bare metal rims and crashed into another occupied vehicle on I-40, this qualifies as a Class D felony. The potential penalty would be 2 to 12 years in state prison. Standard range is 2 to 4 years, up to 12 years if sentenced as a persistent career offender, plus fines of up to $5,000. Number two, the misdemeanor criminal charges. The criminal impersonation, that would have been a Class B misdemeanor, up to 6 months, or a Class A misdemeanor if classified to evade arrest, up to 11 months and 29 days in county jail. Resisting stop, frisk, halt, or arrest, that would have been a Class B misdemeanor with up to 6 months in county jail. The reckless driving charge, Class B misdemeanor, up to 6 months in county jail. Driving on a suspended revoked license, Class B misdemeanor, up to 6 months in county jail. Driving without a valid license, Class C misdemeanor, up to 30 days in jail. Number three, we had traffic infractions and moving violations. Speeding, 96 in a 70 mile an hour zone. Improper driving on the right shoulder, failure to maintain lane, following too closely, not obeying lawful orders of police officers, operating a vehicle without insurance, that's a financial responsibility law, tinted windows, and seatbelt violations. Damn, you can't have tinted didn't look that dark. The penalties would be Class C misdemeanors, infractions carrying fines of up to $50 apiece, court costs, and 30 days potential jail time per moving violation. And number four, underlying probation revocation. Because she committed these crimes while actively on probation for prior theft and felony matters, the judge had the legal power to completely revoke her probation and order her to serve the full original suspended prison sentence back to back with any new convictions. So the total statutory exposure summary is maximum theoretical prison jail time could be 6 to 12 plus years in state prison on the felony evading alone, plus an additional 2 to 3 years of stacked county jail time for the misdemeanor offenses and probation revocation. The fines and restitution would have been well over $10,000 in statutory fines, restitution for the damage caused to the other driver's car, and mandatory court costs. And remember, she had no insurance. And in the driver's license revocation, mandatory 1 to 5 years suspension revocation of driving privileges. But instead of facing years behind bars, her plea deal reduced everything to roughly $1,300 in court fines, restitution, and immediate release. Now, going back to the video, Brandy was facing over 15 criminal and traffic charges, including, as we've already said, criminal impersonation, felony evading, resisting arrest, driving on a suspended license, reckless driving, following too closely, and driving without insurance. But the final resolution, she took a plea bargain, pleading guilty to criminal impersonating and felony evading, while the remaining charges were dismissed. She was ordered to pay $1,293.26 in restitution, court costs, and was released back into the public. Now, I have a final question for the comment section. Do you think paying roughly $1,300 and taking a plea deal was a fair sentence for a 96-mile-an-hour chase that wrecked an innocent civilian's car? Or did she get off way too easy? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. In the meantime, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more true crime and legal breakdowns, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay safe out there. I leave with peace and love, and I'll see you on the other side.